Ever wondered which trucks will outlast your mortgage? Today we're exposing the 10 pickup trucks that deliver far more reliability than their price tags suggest. These aren't just transportation, they're investments that keep paying dividends long after the payments stop. The automotive industry doesn't want you to know these secrets, but we're pulling back the curtain right now. The difference between a good truck and a great truck isn't fancy features or chrome trim, it's whether it's still running strong 200,000 miles later. Let's count down the top 10 trucks that deliver legendary reliability without the legendary price tag. The final year of Ford's compact Ranger before its hiatus delivered something special. This no-nonsense workhorse packs either a bulletproof 2.3-liter four-cylinder or a torquey 4-liter V6 that routinely crosses the 250,000-mile mark without breaking a sweat. RepairPal ranks it 3rd out of 7 for mid-sized trucks with an impressive 4 out of 5 reliability score. What's remarkable is how these Rangers maintain their mechanical integrity even after brutal work conditions. The 5-speed manual transmission feels essentially immortal. The most common issues? Some higher idle problems and occasional acceleration bogging, both relatively minor and inexpensive fixes. Meanwhile, the core powertrain components just keep humming along year after year. For a truck that can be found for under $10,000 in good condition, the value to reliability ratio is off the charts. Living in the shadow of the Tacoma has its advantages, namely staying under the radar while delivering comparable reliability at a significantly lower price point. The 2012 Frontier represents the sweet spot in Nissan's second-generation midsize offering. J.D. Power awarded it an impressive 85 out of 100 for quality and reliability, while Kelley Blue Book owners give it a stellar 4.6 out of 5 reliability rating. The available 4-liter V6 engine doesn't just perform, it endures, regularly pushing past the 200,000-mile mark with basic maintenance. Some owners report minor issues like engine noise or occasional evap system hiccups, but these pale in comparison to the truck's overall durability. With proper care, these Frontiers routinely deliver 15+ years of dependable service, all while costing thousands less than their Toyota counterparts on the used market. That's value hiding in plain sight. If you're looking for true truck capability without the premium price tag, here's something you might not know. Subscribing to this channel gives you inside access to more hidden automotive gems, just like the Frontier. Just hit that subscribe button to make sure you don't miss our next reliability breakdown. The 2013 Sierra 1500 represents the pinnacle of GMC's second-generation full-size truck. When all the bugs had been worked out and build quality peaked, J.D. Power gave it an exceptional 86 out of 100 for quality and reliability. The optional 5.3-liter V8 hits the sweet spot between performance and longevity, delivering 315 horsepower while regularly surpassing 250,000 miles. The 6-speed automatic transmission introduced in this generation proved far more durable than earlier 4-speed units. Owners report an impressive 90% recommendation rate with a 4.7 out of 5 reliability rating. Common issues include occasional transfer case problems in 4-wheel drive models and some HVAC actuator failures, both relatively minor compared to the truck's overall durability. What's surprising is how these trucks maintain their mechanical integrity even in high-mileage examples. Despite this proven track record, the Sierra often sells for significantly less than comparable Tundras and F-150s on the used market. For the savvy buyer, this means access to exceptional reliability without the premium pricing. True value hiding behind a GMC badge. The mechanical twin to the Sierra, the 2013 Silverado 1500, offers virtually identical reliability in a slightly different package and often at an even more attractive price point. This final year of the second generation represents GM's full-size truck platform at its most refined. With multiple engine options, including the remarkably durable 5.3-liter V8, the Silverado established itself as a 200,000+ mile truck with proper maintenance. Kelley Blue Book owners give it a 4.7 out of 5 reliability rating with an 88% recommendation rate. The 6-speed automatic transmission in the 5.3-liter and 6.2-liter models proved significantly more durable than the 4-speed and base models. Potential issues include fuel level sensor failures and occasional transfer case concerns in 4-wheel drive models, but these remain exceptions rather than rules. The real story here is longevity versus cost. These These trucks regularly deliver 15+ years of service while depreciating faster than their Toyota counterparts, creating an outstanding reliability to price ratio for used truck buyers willing to look beyond brand perceptions. The 2014 F-150 represents the final evolution of Ford's 12th generation, before the aluminum revolution changed everything. This is when Ford had perfected the formula, working out the bugs from earlier model years. J.D. Power gave it 83 out of 100 for quality and reliability, while owners report an 88% recommendation rate. The standout powertrain is the 5.0-liter V8, which mechanics often recommend over the more complex EcoBoost options for its remarkable durability and straightforward maintenance. The 6-speed automatic transmission paired with this engine creates a drivetrain capable of exceeding 300,000 miles with proper care. Common issues include exhaust manifold leaks on higher mileage units and occasional oil pan gasket seepage, both relatively minor compared to the truck's overall durability. Despite this proven reliability record, the 2014 F-150 often sells for thousands less than newer but less proven models. For buyers focused on long-term value rather than having the latest design, this creates an exceptional opportunity to secure legendary Ford toughness without the premium price. The 2013 Ram 1500 marked the beginning of a significant redesign that introduced game-changing features like the smooth shifting 8-speed automatic transmission paired with the 3.6-liter Pentaster V6. This combination delivered both reliability and impressive fuel economy for a full-size truck. RepairPal gives it an above-average 3.5 out of 5.0 reliability rating, while owners rate it 4.6 out of 5 on Kelley Blue Book. Even Consumer Reports, notoriously tough on trucks, awarded it top scores for the full-size pickup category. The breakthrough coil spring rear suspension not only improved ride quality, but proved remarkably durable. The only noteworthy issue is occasional lifter tick with the 5.7-liter Hemi option. But even this rarely affects overall performance or longevity. What's remarkable is the lack of widespread problems reported across the ownership experience. These trucks routinely cross 200,000 miles with basic maintenance, yet their resale values remain significantly more accessible than comparable Toyotas or even Fords. For the value-conscious truck buyer, the 2013 Ram 1500 represents a hidden reliability gem. The Ridgeline challenges conventional truck wisdom with its unibody construction, and the market has never fully embraced it. Their loss is your gain. This often overlooked truck delivers car-like reliability in a genuinely useful pickup package. The 2008 model earned an astounding 93% owner recommendation rate with a 4.8 out of 5 reliability rating on Kelley Blue Book. Its 3.5-liter V6 engine and 5-speed automatic transmission create a powertrain that regularly exceeds 250,000 miles with minimal issues. Yes, there are reports of some transmission shifting concerns and occasional tailgate problems, but these pale in comparison to the major component failures seen in traditional body-on-frame trucks. The integrated bed with lockable trunk remains watertight and functional even after years of use. Despite this exceptional reliability record, the Ridgeline's unconventional design keeps resale values remarkably affordable. For buyers who prioritize dependability over traditional truck appearance or extreme capability, the 2008 Ridgeline offers perhaps the best reliability per dollar value in the entire used truck market. The second-generation Ridgeline addressed the main criticism of the original, its polarizing appearance, while maintaining its legendary reliability. The redesigned exterior looks more conventional, while still delivering the unibody advantages in ride quality and efficiency. The upgraded 3.5-liter V6 produces a robust 280 horsepower while achieving real-world combined averages over 20 miles per gallon. Exceptional efficiency for a pickup. Owners give it a 92% recommendation rate with a 4.7 out of 5 reliability rating on Kelley Blue Book. Some owners report occasional AC issues or fuel injector failures at higher mileages, but the overall reliability far exceeds most traditional trucks. The second-generation models also address the first-generation's limited infotainment with modern technology that still functions flawlessly years later. Despite addressing virtually all criticisms of the original model, the market still hasn't fully recognized the Ridgeline's value proposition. This creates an outstanding opportunity for reliability-focused buyers to secure a truck that will likely deliver 15+ years of trouble-free service at a price point that defies its quality. Toyota's reputation for building vehicles that refuse to die reaches its peak in the 2010 Tundra. This full-size truck delivers reliability that makes its price point seem almost absurd, even with Toyota's typically strong resale values. Kelley Blue Book owners give it an exceptional 93% recommendation rate with a 4.7 out of 5 reliability rating. The optional 5.7-liter V8 is particularly noteworthy, an engine known to reach astronomical mileage figures with minimal issues. Yes, owners might encounter exhaust manifold failures that cause a ticking noise, but even these issues don't typically affect functionality or longevity. The 5-speed and 6-speed automatic transmissions paired with these engines have proven exceptionally durable, often exceeding 300,000 miles without rebuilds. What's remarkable is that despite Toyota's strong resale reputation, these second-generation Tundras can still be found at price points that don't reflect their true longevity potential. For buyers seeking maximum reliability with minimal ownership risk, the 2010 Tundra represents perhaps the safest truck investment possible. The 2011 Toyota Tacoma stands alone at the peak of truck reliability. This mid-size pickup has achieved almost mythical status among truck enthusiasts, and the data backs up its legendary reputation. The evidence is overwhelming: a 93% owner recommendation rate and an astounding 4.8 out of 5 reliability rating on Kelley Blue Book. J.D. Power also recognized its exceptional dependability. Owners routinely report exceeding 300,000 miles on original engines and transmissions. The 4-liter V6 option delivers the perfect balance of power and longevity, while even the 2.7-liter 4-cylinder seems determined to outlast its owners. The 5-speed manual transmission option is particularly bulletproof. Frame rust issues that plagued earlier models were largely addressed by 2011, creating a truck that simply refuses to quit. Despite commanding strong resale values, the 2011 Tacoma still represents extraordinary value when measured by total cost of ownership over its potential lifespan. When you consider how many years of reliable service these trucks deliver, the Tacoma might be the most financially sound truck purchase possible. But there's something even more valuable than reliability alone, and that's understanding exactly what makes these engines virtually immortal. If you want to see what specific design elements create these forever-lasting power plants, check out my video about the most reliable pickup trucks with forever-lasting engines. The link is in the description. You'll never look at truck engines the same way again.